So what does it take to build a successful U.S. reimbursement and market access strategy? And that's really, again, assessing who your stakeholders are pre-commercial. What are their incentives? How are they going to view this technology? What data and information do they need to incentivize them to adopt the technology? And then building that evidence, building your plan, your pricing plan, your go-to commercial plan, and then executing that plan and continually iterating that plan throughout the product life cycle, and then getting into the commercial state, defending that plan as you move forward. So again, early strategic product planning informs the reimbursement and market access strategy and really serves as the key foundation to product commercialization. So you might be asking yourself, well, how in the world, Tonya, do new technologies get paid upon FDA approval or clearance? How can they develop and attain the appropriate clinical and economic evidence necessary for broad coverage, coding, and payment? How can they demonstrate and document patient and physician demand in case volume? How can we get formal coverage maybe on a case-by-case basis until we have the data where we can get formal coverage? And how do we garner that society support? And really, again, a lot of times new technologies have to establish an integrated patient access program or something similar. You might have heard of a reimbursement support program whereby these technologies are being assessed and facilitated from a reimbursement standpoint on a case-by-case basis. So we're arguing medical necessity on a case-by-case basis. And this depiction is what I call the bottom-up, top-down approach. So as you are working on a case-by-case basis to establish medical necessity, as well as obtaining that case-by-case volume, accruing data during the ID and even post-regulatory approval to leverage for policy changes, we're at the same time working with the payer policy team at the different payers who are looking at, a population-based type of outcome. Where is the published evidence, the clinical patient selection criteria, and coding guidance? So this top-down, bottom-up approach using an integrated patient access program with a data infrastructure is a full manifestation of the reimbursement strategy, i.e. coding, coverage, and payment, and getting to that ultimate market adoption goal.